My name is Ryan Choi.
My name is Hajula.
I am hungry. How about you?
I am hungry too.
What kind of food do you like?
I like pizza.
Great. Making rainbow pizza.
Good idea.
Cooking ingredients. Cheese, pizza dough, rice pan, tomato sauce, cherry tomato, yellow paprika, green paprika, purple cabbage, carrot.
Wow, I can eat.
Spread the tomato sauce over the pizza dough. Place the ham over the pizza dough. Spread the cheese over the pizza dough. Place over the vegetable in Put the pizza in the oven for 10 minutes. Take out after 10 minutes.
Pizza is very delicious.
Making pizza is fun. I have a good time.
Goodbye.